Okay, well, it's done. I've sorted all of them. Got the greens anyways, all there. And then, seeing how with the corners there's only 4, and these ones all contain green, well then these are the other 4 corners. They all contain blue. As for them, these are the main edge pieces that would go, like, because while with the center anyways, there's going to be 4 that will connect from there to there, and for each one of those for green, as well as 4 for blue. There's some that then don't connect to either blue, so then I went with red and orange for those. And there's 2 for orange, 2 for red. As for the white and yellow, just they're neglected, whatever. Doesn't matter. But yeah. Then there's a few other pieces that then are more for green and blue, just because of the way it goes. But yep, that took a while, because there's a lot of pieces like this one where it's, not sure if you can, hold on, let me see if I can't get the camera to focus. Okay, well, it's basically, it has a little bit of a gap. Yeah, there we go. And then there's another one that then is almost identical, except the gap is the other way, and it is a difference. Like when you look at it this way, that piece anyways on the bottom, it's off center, so let me make sure I get that right back into the correct pile. As for then, all the corner pieces don't really matter, or all the corner edge pieces. But yeah, now I'm going to start assembling it. I'm going to start with green side and just do it. And I'll try and get this all on camera. Just give me a second. I need to. I had to went through, cleaned everything off because there was some stuff on it. Yeah. And the tissues I was using, because I just grabbed a tissue anyways to use to clean it. I can't put my camera stand on it. Wait, can I get that? Yes, I can get my camera stand over this. Okay. Sorry, that is my charging cord. Let me just move this. Okay, I just realized I don't have room here. Dang it. Well, I'll move it back over here, and I'll just assemble it here. Let me just move this. Oh. Found a piece. Oh, white corner. Okay. Yeah, I had to pause for a while just because I realized that my phone was probably getting quite close on memory, down to just a few megabytes left. So I swapped it out for, swapped from a 8 gigabyte micro SD card into a 16 gigabyte one that I had, which took a while to transfer all the stuff. Okay, so got that. Now, first things first is these little corner pieces, which is probably going to be the most difficult part, is getting it started. They all go around here, and there's 4. I'm going to start out by doing 2. Then, I'm going to take one of the corners. Okay, how to do this? Like, can I set it upside down and do it? Upside down works. Just no sudden movements. Oh gosh. This is going to be a while. So this will go there when I get the right pieces in place. Okay. I guess I'll work on just one individual thing at a time. Okay. Starting to get those to be... Actually, let me see. Does the light help? Yes, it does. Okay. Yeah. That's actually holding now for a little bit. Okay, so yellow. Need one from this. Okay. So let's take this. Normally I would be doing this at my desk, but my desk right now is atrocious. Ah, dang it. I might not wind up showing all this because this would take too long. Okay, let's see, put those together. Those in there, like that. Turn, and there we go. Okay, that took a while. So I have to kind of build them on a curve. So I'm going to take out the corners for now because I won't be needing those. Then I'll need one more of these. Won't need two of those of that. What side is next? I'll go with red. That's a good color. Then let's see. Won't be needing those. Just those two, and there we go. Hold on, let me see if I can't bring my chair over here. Having to sit is gonna, or sitting will be nice. Okay, actually, okay, then I can put that there, and there we go. So, oh, and I should make sure it is focusing on it, right? Okay. Yeah. So, one of the pieces started to fall next to my arm. Dang it. There's no comfy way to sit here. Ah, well. Wait, did I grab... wait, no, I got the right piece. Okay. So yeah, those two go together anyways, and then they can slide. It's a very ingenious design. Actually, let's see, I'll build it from... Alright, I was building at the wrong location, wasn't I? Oops. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be the first and last time that I ever have to, or ever am going to rebuild one of these. Apparently, Zach, first time, but before he was actually able to solve the 7x7 himself, he would have to do this every time. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay. There's two. I'm probably going to just do it until the corner, and then I might just call it good in terms of the video. Because I'm getting hungry. Okay, so now I'll need corner for those three colors, because that's going to be where it meets. Right there. Except it's going to be a little bit away. Okay. So, first things first, we got a little corner piece here. Gonna work our way out from that. Okay, then I'll need, I guess, work on green side first. So this, because this will then lap into there and make up that one. And I believe these really weird feet pieces are what latch into, yep. Those are. It's actually even though there's a lot of small and pieces that only have a small connection, it's still reasonably sturdy. I do not want to put it to the test though. I don't want to test that because yeah. Okay, so there's that. Now time for edge pieces. No. 9. Okay. So we got one of these, and one of these, which are both look the same except stickers are flipped for the sake of making it work. Okay. Does that piece go... That one goes in there. Okay. Will this blue piece stop attacking my arm? Okay, so those two go in there. Hopefully this is all getting over, or is all showing up over on the camera. Wait a minute. Oops. Carefully, carefully. I just realized I put two of the wrong colors. That was probably noticeable. Let's see, that one and that one. But then I need yellow. Those two the right ones. Wait, which one do I need? Okay. There we go. And now I believe, wait, let's see, no, those are not held in. Okay, so there we go. Now I'll just continue work on this until I get the full fourth finish. That kind of looks like a cool pattern. But yeah, it's funny because now that I'm looking at it internally, it has a little ball that then is made up of all these edge pieces and corners. And that actually is equivalent to a 3x3 in theory. That is exactly a 3x3. Then basically this would be a corner. This little semicircle would be a corner. That is making a noise. I don't want to. Okay. But anyways, then there's a little slight piece that connects out to here. And it's funny because when it comes down to it, like I have this other cube, or it's not a cube, but it looks it's different. It doesn't look like a cube, but it functions like one because all it is just the pieces are different shapes. Okay, let's see. I'll need this. Are these ones? Which one's the right one? That one's. Wait. Wait, yeah, that's right. Then that one. Those two, okay. So I still will need to finish up a little bit of those sides in order to get that to be right. Wait, no, that'll go like that. And this piece will go. Oh, those fell out. Anyways, yeah, but there's those three. That's kind of how it interlocks, if it can show. Where that will go between those, that'll go between those. Let me try turning off this light here and see. One sec. I can get the lighting better, I know it. Because I actually have a dimmer switch on my lights. Because LEDs are very bright. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's how it interlocks there. So that's going to go in here. Okay. Then, let's see. I'll need one of... not right. Wait, is this the right one? Would it go there? Oh yes, that would. Okay. So that goes there. Then... No. Yes. Yes? No. Okay, there we go. Then, those pieces. Wait, those are... Which are those? Huh? Oh, right, okay. Corner. This. Gonna use no. Well, I'll remember that one. Okay. So then that should be this. Yeah, I gave up on trying to commentate this. Wait. No. Wait, what is that one? That one is... So that'll go there. That should be there. What goes there? What is it? It goes there. Huh. Oh, right. Oh, derp. Derp. Or wait, no, that one... Oh, the fun I'm gonna have with this one. There we go. Okay, then that piece at the edge was these ones. Yes, these ones. Okay. Then I can potentially get this to go in there, along with this. Okay. That's starting to hold itself in place a little bit. Not fully, but better than nothing. Okay, then for there, yellow corner? Yeah, corner. Ah. Okay, I've almost gotten this to set in place, or to be set in place, yeah. No, I shouldn't do that. This first. That goes there. That's in there. Is that the right piece? Well, that's just fabulous. Maybe it is the other one then. Oh, wait, yeah. Or would that not be there? Don't fall off corner. Oh, the corner started to fall off my bed. Okay, no, those go... There. That's where that goes. Then we got this one. And one more. This one. Okay. And it's sturdy enough, I hope. I can pick it up now. Let me just make sure. Okay. So there's that. Oh gosh, this is gonna take a while. It's definitely cool though. I do have to say that. What time is it? Oh gosh. Okay. Food maybe. I'll put in one more thing. I'll do one more side. So I'll need that. I'll need this. Wait, do I want to continue with red? Let's continue with red. Why not? It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Sorry about that. So I will need that. Okay, so then I'll also need this. This. You know, I just realized something. This will actually be very beneficial. Every single... from now on anyways, with every single extra thing I do, I'll need one of each type of piece. That'll make things very easy. Don't know with these corners yet which one it is. Have to just wait that one out. Okay, so just take these, take that. So no, I'm definitely not going to try that. So this, there's that little part. White and white. Here's one of the whole things that I'm about to put in, and hope that it stays. No, please, please, please. Okay, carefully. No, carefully, 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 carefully. It is a tight fit with this. I think that's meant though, so then it will hold everything together, because otherwise if it wasn't, it would probably just fall apart. Okay, so there's that. That actually went smoothly. Okay. So that. Then... no. Yeah. Okay. And that. And this. And my phone just buzzed. Let's see, I'll need, yeah, that one, and the corresponding, not that one, that one. Wait, did my phone just buzz? Yeah, I think so. I can't tell. Yeah. Okay. So, that's almost all in place. Just put this. It's funny because then this is actually hollow in there. And that's actually hollow, but yeah, they don't need it, and so it's saves money. Save money. Live better. Whatever. And this is just two pieces put together. Okay. So, now time to work on this. So I'll need this piece, those two. Okay, then if I'm going to be doing that, I'll need one of each of those, one of each of these, and this, that, this, then 2, 3. Okay, I believe I got everything I'll need. Okay, so first things first, that goes in there. Then that goes in there. And I know I talk to myself a lot. Wait. Put these and that. There. There. Wait, is that... no, wait. Oh, what am I doing? This is one of those pieces. Hold it. Okay, good. That'll need to be in there. Hopefully this is coming across well. It's probably not the best, but yeah, there's not really much else for me to say, so Wait, no, that doesn't go there. What am I doing? Derp. That goes there. There we go. Okay, That will go in here. And now time for the corner. Carefully. Okay, you know what? This isn't working, and these pieces keep falling to where my elbow is on the bed. So I'm going to carefully take out these. Then get those in there. Or get this one. Ah! Carefully, carefully, carefully. Okay, which piece was that? Okay. Whew. That could have been worse. Okay. So now I know not to do that again. Good. Okay. Put these two together. Okay. And see if it will go. There we go. Okay. One-fourth of the cube done. I guess technically it could be seen as just a teeny bit more than 1/4 because of. Yeah, this is going to take a while. That time it did go faster, though. I do have to say that it did. Okay. Let's see. So one of these, one of these, one of these. All the green parts. I'm gonna just finish it up while it's here. No, okay. This is kind of a cool little line there for it. Okay. There we go. Which one does this go to? Is it this? Wait, would it be up there? Or I think. Yeah. Okay. This. And this. Does seem like it's starting to get a little bit sturdier as I get more and more pieces in there, which is nice. Okay. This. And this. Wait, now I should probably do this side first. Whoops. Still, though, it's a very cool design that they have. Probably not meant to be taken apart and put them back together with ease, but... or, let me change that. Probably not meant to be taken apart and put them back together, period. But, maybe. I don't know. Because, I mean, when it comes to something this big, it's like there's... Were you expecting it to be easy? Okay, that. That. Oh, wait, no, I'm forgetting one. Wait, what? Is there still another? Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. I'll be needing that, which one was that is this and this. There's that. Okay. Then I'll be needing the corner as well. Okay. Okay. Let's put that down like that. Now I'll be needing this piece. Okay. Actually, I won't be needing those pieces right now. Instead, I'll be needing, let's see, one of these, one of these, one of these, and not one of those, these. Wait, I'll also be needing one of these, and that, and that. Wait. So then what about that? Wait, am I missing one? Oh, wait, is that... No, that's red. Wait, what happened to... Oh, great. Because I'd still need two left. Wait. Okay, wait, no, that's right. That's right. Okay. Whew, false alarm. So one of those and one of those. This in there. This in there. That in there. This will go... Wait, no, not that. Was it this one? Maybe it was. No, that's not right. That doesn't fit right. No, it's a white corner. Right. There. Okay. And by the way, I'm just going with the flow here. I didn't look up how to do this. Just looked at the pieces enough and ascertained how to do it. Or, just kind of figured it out anyways. Yeah, I guess ascertain wouldn't be the right word. Well, to make certain of. Yeah, whatever. The point is across. That's what matters. The point has been transferred. So, corner. What time is this video at? 30 minutes. Okay. Once I finish the green side, that's probably when I'm going to stop. However, at the same point, seeing how I can't edit it, that's what makes it annoying. Otherwise, I would gladly stop and take a short break, but otherwise it's like, well, then I would have to restart and I have to have a part 3 unless I just don't intend to do this. Okay. No. 9. Wanted to take German in high school, but nope, couldn't. Long story. Okay, carefully. There we go. Now I can say 3/4 of the bottom layer are done. There's green. Okay. So, let's finish up the bottom. Oops. That's it. But this is a V-cube. I was going to say, well, one thing is Erno Rubik, the guy who made Rubik's cubes, he was a structural engineer. And if I'm not mistaken, the whole reason he made or came up with the idea of the Rubik's Cube was more just, can you have something that can remain structurally sound while still managing to be, just that whole idea of how it turns. Which, yes. And the first ones were a lot more difficult to turn from what I hear. But now they've gotten them so that they just... Yeah. This is a version 2 one. Turns. It does separate a little bit, but that's intended. Anyways. Okay, this and that. Oops. Okay. I'll be needing this. And technically this will solve all the way up to the middle layer. Well, solve. Okay. This. That was a complete loop from my computer. No. Corner started to fall off. Okay, so not that. Nose has been annoying me recently, but yeah. That's a personal problem, so whatever. Okay, wait, where is... This is orange. Yellow. Yellow again, and another orange. Okay, now time for the... No, please get back in there. Thank you. Okay. Time for the... Oh, wait, that part as well fall out. Okay, there we go. Time for the annoying part. Okay, one of those is in. Okay, now then this will have to go in. And now time for the really difficult part. Getting this last piece into there. And I have no idea how well this is coming over the camera. Oh, actually, that was not as difficult as I thought. Okay, we're back to the halfway point. And this does turn. And of course, these ones I'm not as worried about, but yeah. And I don't want to try turning it the other way. So now the question comes down to, let me think. Actually, how did I went with an edge, so okay. I mean, it's like from here now, what next? Blue and red. Blue and red. Oh yeah, and they line up and make a ball on the inside, as you can see by these little things. That'll go there. Yeah, it's already looking like something. No. Okay, one of these, one of these. One of these, and one of these. Now, normally when it comes to doing things like this, I have a different way I'd go about putting the pieces in, but I don't have that luxury here, considering that if I turn this at all, the entire thing will fall apart quicker than the Jenga tower that's been lubricated with WD-40 and then kicked. Although if you kick it, I mean, it really doesn't matter. But anyways. Okay, are those the right ones? Yes, that is the right one. I'm going to just move those over here. After all, it is a Rubik's Cube, so I can just slide them around as I will, or as I want to, as much as I want. There we go. That's the right way. Get one of these. So, that's not right. No, right. Yeah, now I have to think about building this the other way, because I've been building it one way, and now this is a little bit different. Okay, I'll just, oops, slide this along this little track here. Okay, those are in place. So red and blue. Let's see, that's one. Is that the right direction? No, that's not the right direction. Okay. Now we got that part there. I keep on hearing bleep bloops, but that just means someone's getting online. Sorry. Okay. So that part will fit in right there. Okay. So then I think I'll need one of these, one of these. Did I just pick up a hair with that? Yeah. Oops. And there's that. Wait, did I already get one of those? Nope. One of these and this. Why do I have two of... Oh, okay, wait, I already have one of those. There's that. It is rather cool how it just perfectly fits together. Okay, there we go. And that'll go there. And this will go here. Should probably put this part in first. And this part in there. And that part in not there. There we go. Okay, then all that's left for here is right there. And along there. Okay. Definitely is going faster now, it seems like. So it's probably just I've started getting the hang of things. Okay, that's one of these. Wonder, will I finish it in the hour? Actually, I could. Then I'm getting lunch. Yeah, but for most of these parts, there's, like, ignoring the edges, and even that, there's certain exceptions. All these parts have 4 of them. There's this. And I apologize for my sniffling. My nose has been annoying. Okay, there we go. So, 5/8 done. Hold on. Okay. I will probably have a finishing video. I need to take care of stuff.